So, this is the first module that we did this term, inclined planes. What is an inclined plane? Sorry. So, what is an inclined plane? In an inclined plane is the simplest of all simple machines. What is it used for? It's used for moving an object from a lower to a higher elevation, from a lower height to a higher height. And how does it help? If you try to lift a load directly upward, you need a very large effort. You have to work very hard to do that. However, if you try pushing the same load up a ramp, it becomes small. The effort you need becomes very small. It becomes easier. So this is how inclined planes help us. Examples of inclined planes: wheelchair ramp, ladder. These are examples. Now, I'll go back to the slide here that I've made for you. So these are the 4 triangles you need to memorize for inclined planes. Now this is the only new one. This guy here is the only new triangle, new formula. You can find the IMA by dividing the slope over height. The other 3 triangles you are familiar with. So IMA is FL over FE, AMA is FL over actual effort force, and efficiency is AMA over IMA. So once you know, if you have to find IMA, what do? You cover it. You'll get the formula. IMA is slope over height. If you have to find the height, you cover that. Height is slope over IMA, and so on. So if you memorize these 4 triangles, everything will become super easy for you. Okay, coming back. So in this question, there's a question here. Something like this you can expect to come up in the exam. So you have to read the question and figure out what is given. 50 Newton load, this means FL, a vertical distance of 36, so that's the height. Let's do this. Load, then height of 36, and the total amount of effort force is 25 Newton. So the actual amount of force, so this is FEA, this is FL, and this is the vertical height. This is given to you. You have to figure out the IMA. Now you know the slope. The slope is also given 72. The height is given 24. So what is IMA? Slope over height. What is the actual mechanical advantage? AMA is load over actual effort force. You know the load, you know the actual effort force. What is the efficiency? AMA over IMA. You know the AMA, you know the IMA. What is the ideal effort force? Ideal effort force. So which triangle will I need? If I have to find the ideal effort force, I need this triangle, because ideal mechanical advantage, ideal effort force. Actual mechanical advantage, actual effort force. So this is how you have to memorize these. Remember to write the units. Remember to write the formula. So in case everything else is wrong, you will get some marks for writing the formula, some for writing the unit, and so on. Good luck, girls.